Van Cleef necklace hack part 2. So if you guys saw my previous video, I did a Van Cleef hack where I took 2 chains and attached them together so you could loop it around and wear them so you can take it on and off very easily. I love it. I still do it, but sometimes this will get caught as a choker by itself just because of the weight of this one, or it'll get a little tangled with this one. So I found a second hack. So that hack still works and I still do it, but this hack you do have to put on every day, but it's a little bit easier. So I'm going to show it to you. So what I did, give me a sec, talk amongst yourselves. What I did is you take the longer one, the magic one, and you just keep it by itself. Normally attach it as it does. Then you take the shorter one and you attach the ring side to the same hook. So they're both attached to this hook. See, this is just by itself how it normally would be. This is attached here to where it's attached with the magic's hook. Then you kind of drape it, and then you attach this hook to one of so the magic comes with 3 holes. So it's the longest hole, the medium hole, and then the shortest hole. So I attach it to the shortest hole because that will make this necklace the longest. And then you just put it over your head like this. That wasn't easy because of the glasses, but you could also just you could just put it over your head and then loop this over. And then you find that hole here. So this is the first hole, this is the second hole, this is the third hole. And you can just attach it right here. It's a lot easier because you can see it because you have more wiggle room than if you had it the other way. You just put it on by itself, and that way, basically it's attached on both sides. So it's gonna stay at this length, and this is gonna stay at this length, but they're gonna be attached to each other. So they might tangle here, but they won't get too tangled with this one, and we'll see. I mean, I don't think they will. I'm trying it out. This is the first day. So, but it's so it's set. This is set at this length, and this is set at this length. Does that make sense? Here, I'll show you. I took it off so you can just see. So basically, see the magic is one long thing, and then the vintage is attached to the magic here and here. So it sits on you like that, right? It's exactly there. Does that make sense? So this is my little Van Cleef hack. So if your head is smaller than mine, which I have a big head, but if your head was smaller than mine, this probably would fit over. Or you could wear it like this. I mean, that's a different look. The chain sits here and this sits up here as like a forehead band, and then wrap it behind the ears. I mean, no. Wait a minute. I kind of really like this. Whoa. What? Oh, I might have to do a separate video on this. What do you guys think?